We're not perfect, but we're not giving up. Some things take time. Real love is one of them. Still loading, still growing, still us. We've been through the highs and lows, closed some doors, open windows. Every chapter wrote our name. Nothing's ever been the same. I know healing takes its time, like a song finding its rhyme. Every step we take today brings us closer on the way. Brick by brick we're building trust, turning pain into the dust. Every heartbeat tells me this love is worth the risk. Still loading, our forever still unfolding. Every sunrise keeps reminding, love is patient, love is growing. Still loading, every dream we're holding. Side by side we're moving forward. Our story's still loading. Yesterday's far behind. I'm no longer scared of time. Now I see your honest heart. That's where brand new stories start. Every promise that you keep gives my soul a little peace. I'm believing once again we can love without an end. No more running from the truth, no more wasting precious youth. I'll be everything you need if you walk this road with me. Still loading, our forever still unfolding. Every sunrise keeps reminding, love is patient, love is growing. Still loading, every dream we're holding. Side by side we're moving forward. Our story's still loading. No rush, no race, love moves at its own pace. Every lesson made us strong, now we know where we belong. Every heartbeat writes a page, love gets better with age. You're the future that I see standing right in front of me. Still loading, our forever still unfolding. Nothing's broken, nothing's stolen. Love keeps every promise spoken. Still loading, hearts forever glowing. Hand in hand we'll face tomorrow. Our story's still loading. New beginnings, our love is still loading, and the best is yet to come.